For this look, I am using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, Holo Taco's Hydro Power, Holo Taco's Full Charge, Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco, and finally a dotting tool. We start with our long-lasting base coat to secure the manicure to our nail beds. Then we're going to paint a base color. On 3 of the 5 nails, we're doing Holo Taco's Hydro Power, and then on the other 2, we're going to do Holo Taco's Full Charge. I specifically did thumb, middle, and ring with the blue, and pointer and pinky with the green. Adding a second coat may be necessary if you're not finding that you've gotten full opacity yet. Then, using a dotting tool, we're going to place the opposite color of dots around the edge of a nail, going in a bit of a crescent shape. For full effect of this, going in the opposite direction on the other hand will allow them to make a complete circle if you put your fingers together, which is quite adorable. Finally, we're going to seal the entire manicure in with the Super Glossy Taco, which is a quick dry top coat. Voila! There it is. You have a beautiful manicure. Enjoy!